Greetings, Lasalians. My name is Dennis A. Dolohan, aka Love Mindanao Batch 2006, Environmental Science, a travel writer for LoveMindanao.com. First, I would like to congratulate the officers of the Alumni Association for this great effort to bring the alumni together once more at 16th year homecoming. To my batchmates 2006, I am sorry for not being able to attend this gathering. I am wishing that everyone has spiced up their lives with their chosen path as I did mine. To the whole DLSUD community, I can't thank you enough for everything you have extended to me when I was still a student of this university. If there's one thing I've learned during my stay in our green and beautiful campus, it was the value of compassion that led me in advocating and helping to build up the image of Mindanao by promoting its world-class tourist destinations with social media as my platform. I'd like to take this opportunity to invite everyone to experience the true wonders that we are all missing. I would like to leave these words for those who fear Mindanao. Pity those who are afraid, for their faith is weak. Maayong adlaw sa tanan, salamater, sukran, magsukol. Words of thanks from Mindanao, and again, congratulations.